Hi, I'm Keisha, and I'm a pharmacy technician here at Lock Haven Veterinary Hospital. Today I'm going to ask Dr. German some questions about cat deworming. Dr. German, what are intestinal parasites?
Intestinal parasites are parasites that live inside the GI tract.
How does intestinal parasites impact the health and well-being of your cat?
So, intestinal parasites will actually take away some of the nutrition as they're eating, so it can cause them to lose weight, it can cause some vomiting, some diarrhea, and just overall not doing well.
What preventative measures can be taken to ensure that my cat doesn't get worms or other parasites?
Make sure to keep their litter box clean. Make sure they're on a monthly heartworm preventative that contains a dewormer. And just make sure to keep them, if they're indoor, keep everything clean. If they're outdoor, make sure they're dewormed once monthly.
What are some signs and symptoms of intestinal parasites in your cat?
So, vomiting, diarrhea, weight loss, hair not looking as well as it normally could, and it could eventually lead to death.
Can you see worms in your cat's stools?
Most of the time, no. Most of these worms we're seeing are microscopic that we look under the microscope for, but sometimes you can see some tapeworms, and those look like little rice that'll move around.
How will a veterinarian diagnose intestinal parasites in your cat?
We usually like you to bring a fecal sample in so that we can look at it under the microscope for those eggs.
What are some possible conditions caused by intestinal parasites and what are the treatments?
So some possible causes would be vomiting, diarrhea, loss of appetite, and then treatments would be dewormers such as Profender that goes right along the base of their neck, or sometimes we do have to use some pills as well.
Why is early detection and diagnosis of intestinal parasites so important?
Well, again, this is affecting their GI system, so they're not getting their proper nutrition when they have worms. And if you don't treat it soon, it could lead to GI non-motility and even death.
When should my cat see a veterinarian for deworming?
I would recommend as soon as you get them. So as a kitten, we like to start them at 8 weeks. And then if you get them from a shelter, we want to do that as soon as you bring them to us.
Thank you, Dr. German.
No problem. Thank you, Keisha. And if y'all have any questions or concerns, please give us a call.